Hi everyone, I'm Chef Danger, and this is the Danger Pit. Thanks for checking out my channel. I just wanted to introduce myself and let you know about the type of barbecue and smoking content that I'll be creating moving forward. The Danger Pit is based here in Yorkshire in the north of England. I'm a stick burner purist and my heart lies in the Lone Star state of Texas. I smoke the traditional way, using only wood splits in my offset smoker. Traditional wood smoking is less common in the UK than in America, for a number of reasons.
Okay, right.
But we'll explore practical solutions. With a focus on getting the most from low-end smokers and creating delicious barbecue on a budget. I fell in love with the Central Texas style of smoking, with its focus on oak smoke and simple, bold flavours. That said, I love to experiment. I also look forward to sharing with you my favourite recipes for side dishes and cocktails.
The longest game of Pass the Parcel in the world. Oh!
It's come out well. Oh wow.
Oh wow.
One thing we take seriously in the Danger Pit is using meat, ingredients and wood sourced in the UK while supporting local businesses. We'll discuss how to translate from American to English when trying to source meats from your local butcher. We'll discuss different woods, how to source, store and season them. Most importantly of all, I look forward to sharing with you guys how I plan to execute backyard barbecues that I share with my family and friends. I look forward to sharing with you my successes, my failures, and all the things I learn in between on my mission to earn the title of Pitmaster.
I think I've never salivated while I've ate food.
Now with that in mind, I recently recorded a 24-hour brisket cook, which I'm hoping to upload soon. For now though, I wanted to share with you my recipe for what I call Loser's Chili. My butcher was kind enough to grind down the brisket trimmings that didn't make it onto the pit, which means nothing wasted, so let's get into it.
Beef mince. Fond from last night's dinner. Yeah. Onions. Chopped onions. Starting to brown. Chilies. Finely sliced. Looking good. Gonna put this to one side and start the onions. Into the crock pot. Into the crock pot, some ghee. Brown the onions. Bell peppers, finely diced, into the onions, bell peppers and chili peppers, tomatoes, diced tomatoes, marvel at the colours, or is that just me? Add the tomatoes, garlic, minced, into the pot, Chipotle Paste, that much, tomato puree, about that much, oregano, that much, cumin seeds, about that much, chili powder, about that much. Onion granules, about that much. Smoked paprika, about that much. Stock cubes, 2. Water, some water. Yeah. Black pepper, that much. Simmer for about 15 minutes. Puree until smooth. Add the beef. Add the bay leaves. And put it to bed for 8 hours. On low. Seven hours down, we should be looking pretty good. Fish out the bay leaves. I don't like beans in my chili, said no healthy person ever.
Simmer for another half an hour, and you're ready to serve. And so there you have it. No waste from the brisket, and now you have a hearty, handmade side for your guests. Alternatively, do as I've done, and freeze it down in portions. Next time you fancy nachos, you have a delicious topping with no effort. So, thank you for checking us out. Apologies for the production quality. This video, along with the upcoming brisket video, represented a huge learning curve as someone who's never recorded themselves before. Moving forward, I look forward to recording on an actual camera, with an actual microphone. But until then, special thanks to all my friends and family for their support in my cooking endeavours. I can't wait to get another fire going and cook up a storm for you guys.